Very good morning, students. Today we are going to do our from page number 24, that is exploring science. So today we will cover about exploring science. So on page number 24, take out your page number 24, that is about elements. Elements is a form of metal. Metal की form होती है. We have to study the formula, the name. ठीक है, according to their features. So the first question is, an orange pink element used to make electrical wires and cables. What is it? It is copper. COPPER, copper. Turns to liquid at room temperature and it is also known as quicksilver. So this is mercury. Mercury you might have seen in the thermometers also. आजकल तो nowadays digital thermometers are there, but previously it was a mercury filled thermometer was there. So we used to note down the temperature through mercury filled temperature thermometer. So answer is mercury. A white colored element used in developing photographic negatives. Negatives को develop करने के लिए कौन सा element use होता है? That is silver. A deficiency of this led to a disease called goiter. So this is very easy one, you all might be knowing. Iodine is the answer. Iodine, we have done this in class 6 as well, a component of diet. Used in the process of galvanization while electroplating an iron object. जब हम iron object को electroplate प्लेट के ऊपर लगाते हैं, प्लेटिंग करते हैं मीन्स उसके ऊपर से एक लेयर चढ़ाते हैं इस पे इस एलिमेंट की. दैट एलिमेंट इज जिंक. Used for giving a white polish to costume jewelry. Costume jewelry पे हम इसका यूज़ करते हैं इस मेटल का. And the name is rhodium. RHODIUM, rhodium. Now in the second part, symbols are written for different metals. So we have to give the name, tell the name, which symbol is related to which element. Cu is for copper, COPPER. AU is for gold, PB is for lead, AG is for silver, HG is for mercury, and SN is for tin. I have written the answers for you. If you didn't get anything, you can copy the answers from here. So first answer is copper, second is mercury, third is silver, fourth is iodine, fifth is zinc, sixth is rhodium. Then the name, first is copper, second is gold, third is lead, fourth is silver, fifth is mercury, sixth is tin. Okay, now moving to the next page, that is all about medical machines. You have to read the chapter thoroughly so that you can understand what is the meaning of USG, what is the meaning of CT scan, and what is the meaning of MRI. Detailed explanation is given for the machines. Okay, now moving to the next chapter, we are doing the circulatory system. Circulatory system is all about related to the circulation. So we have to understand what the part is this. We have to understand the name of the part. The first is, the blood from the heart is carried to the other parts of the body by the, we have to tell the name by which organ the blood is carried to other part, and the name is arteries. ARTERIES, arteries. The red blood cell contain a pigment called, that is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin that gives blood its color. जो blood को उसका color देता है, that is hemoglobin. Now the third one is, the arteries and vein are joined by a network of capillaries. By the network of capillaries. CAPILLARIES, capillaries. Dash cause the clotting of the blood. So the answer is platelets. Platelets cause the clotting of the blood. The two upper chambers of the heart are called atria. That is called atria. ATRIA. Dash is the fluid part of the blood, that is plasma. PLASMA, plasma. द डैश कैरीज प्योर ब्लड फ्रॉम लंग्स टू द हार्ट. क्या कैरी करता है? दैट इज pulmonary vein. PULMONARY pulmonary vein, VEIN vein. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart is called its heartbeat. Answer is heartbeat. Hints are given at the downside, so you can check your spellings as well. So first answer is pulmonary arteries, second is hemoglobin, third is capillary, fourth is platelets, fifth is atria, sixth is plasma, seventh is pulmonary vein, and eighth is heartbeat. I hope you have understood this. Now moving to the next page, that is all about the disease. We have to either say the statement is true or false. If it is false, so we also have to correct that. ठीक है? Nephritis is the inflammation of kidney. That is true. The Ebola disease is named after a river in the Democratic Republic of Congo. That is also true. Tonsillitis is an infectious viral disease that affects the central nervous system and cause temporary or permanent paralysis. No, this is wrong. Polio is an infectious viral disease that cause central nervous system and can cause permanent or temporary paralysis. So the answer of the third is false and correct. Tonsillitis by polio. Fourth, mumps is an infectious viral disease causing swelling of the parotid salivary glands in the face. That is also true. Fifth, measles is a type of influenza that primarily affect bird but can also be transmitted to humans. No, this is false. This is not measles. The answer is bird flu. Bird flu is a type of influenza that primarily affects through birds and can also be transmitted to humans. Humans को भी हो सकता है क्या? That is answer is bird flu. So next is sixth. Hepatitis is an inflammation of the spinal cord most commonly caused by a viral infection. No, it is false and the answer is myelitis. MYELITIS. That is an inflammation of spinal cord. Spinal cord के inflammation को हम बोलते हैं myelitis. MYELITIS. Okay. Seventh is typhoid fever is a bacterial disease caused by Salmonella typhi. That is also correct. Eighth, tuberculosis is a chronic disease that occurs when the pancreas does not produce enough insulin. So answer is false. It is जब insulin की बीमारी है तो it is diabetes. So you have to correct tuberculosis by diabetes. So the first is true, second is also true, third, if you can see, I have corrected tonsillitis through polio. Fourth is true. Fifth, I have corrected measles. Instead of measles, what will come? Bird flu. In sixth, instead of hepatitis, myelitis will come. Seventh is true, and in eighth, instead of tuberculosis, diabetes will come. So now we are doing the last page of exploring science, that is page number 28. In this we have to name the branches of science, which thing is related to which thing. Okay, so first is the study of the diagnosis and treatment of skin disorder. जब हम skin की बात करते हैं, it always comes to dermatology. Dermatology is the D option. तो D का आंसर क्या है? 1. On the D के ब्लॉक में आप लिखोगे 1. द साइंटिफिक स्टडी ऑफ द मून. मून की साइंटिफिक स्टडी को क्या बोलते हैं हम? सीनोलॉजी. सीनोलॉजी इज जी ऑप्शन, तो जी में आप लिखोगे 2. द स्टडी ऑफ बर्ड, दैट इज ऑर्निथोलॉजी. ऑर्निथोलॉजी इज द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ए, तो ए में आप लिखोगे 3rd. द स्टडी ऑफ द रिलेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म टू ईच अदर एंड देयर एनवायरनमेंट, इट इज़ इकोलॉजी. इकोलॉजी के बारे में मैंने आपको बताया भी था, इकोसिस्टम समझाया था 6th क्लास में. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट इकोलॉजी. तो ई, इकोलॉजी इज रिटन ऑन ई, सो ई इज़ 4th. द स्टडी ऑफ द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ द डिसऑर्डर ऑफ आई. आई का जो डिसऑर्डर होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजी. ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजी, दैट इज़ एफ. तो एफ का आंसर इज़ 5. द स्टडी ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर एंड वेदर प्रिडिक्शंस, इसका आंसर है मीटरोलॉजी. मीटरोलॉजी इज ऑल अबाउट द एटमॉस्फेयर एंड वेदर प्रिडिक्शंस. द स्टडी ऑफ द यूजेस एंड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ मेडिसिन, मेडिसिन से कौन रिलेटेड होता है, दैट इज़ फार्मासिस्ट, और इसका आंसर है फार्माकोलॉजी, इसका आंसर है फार्माकोलॉजी, दैट इज सी, फार्माकोलॉजी इज सी एंड द आंसर फॉर सी इज 7th. ओके, द स्टडी ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स, स्टडी ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स इज एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, इसको बोलते हैं हम एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी इज रिटन ऑन द जे पोर्शन, सो द आंसर ऑफ जे इज 8th. द स्टडी ऑफ माइंड एंड बिहेवियर, माइंड एंड बिहेवियर की स्टडी को हम बोलते हैं साइकोलॉजी, तो साइकोलॉजी इज रिटन ऑन एच पार्ट, सो एच नंबर यू हैव टू पुट 9. द स्टडी ऑफ द पास्ट, पुरानी चीज़ों के बारे में याद करना या उनके बारे में पढ़ना, इज़ ऑल अबाउट आर्कोलॉजी, इसका आंसर है आर्कोलॉजी. आई हैव पुट द नंबर फॉर यू. डी इज़ फर्स्ट, जी इज़ सेकेंड, ए इज़ थर्ड, ई इज़ फोर्थ, एफ इज़ 5, बी इज़ 6th, सी इज़ 7th, J is 8th, H is 9th, I is 10th. So I hope you have understood about the exploring science. On the next Thursday, I hope we will finish thinking and number skills. Then we will start with literature part. Okay? Thank you. Complete your work and do send me as and when you complete. Okay? Thank you.